shoot for next summer. If you guys want to, you going out to a formal dinner or anything like that, you guys could get a pair of these and wear these out, man, with a nice pair of slacks and a nice shirt. You good to go, man. With a fresh haircut, you straight. Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we talking about the Air Max 1 Strawberry Lemonade, man. This shoe is kind of dope, man. I had a different feel for it when I first seen them, but now that I have them in person, they look really clean. You know what I'm saying? But before we get into the shoe, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we dropping new content to the channel, and also help us grow this channel to 1,150 subscribers, man. We're moving at a steady pace right now, and I'm really happy with the success that we having on the channel, man. That's all thanks to you guys, man. But if you guys want to follow us on our social media account on Instagram and on Twitter, you guys can follow us at PENNY_4YT. That's on Instagram and on Twitter. If you guys want to buy any of the merch that's shown on these videos and also shown on our social media accounts, you guys could go straight to the website and cop whatever you need, man. The website is P4YT2016.com. I know y'all tired of me talking, so let's get into the shoe. Here you guys go, Air Max 1 Strawberry Lemonade. Let's get straight into the shoe. As you guys can see, the shoe is primarily pink. You have a pink mesh toe box right here. You have pink suede right here on the outside of the shoe. You have you have Air with a swoosh in pink and white here. You have yellow laces. You slide over here to the other side. You have a suede swoosh right here. I'm sorry, this is a patent leather swoosh right here. You have more mesh right here. It's like satin pink in the inside. You have a yellow airbag here with a white sole, black bottom. You come over here to the back. You have you have Air right here and yellow. Come over here to the other side. Move the laces real quick. You have another patent leather Nike swoosh right here. You have more Air with the swoosh. You have a yellow shoestring eyelet right here. White sole, more of the same on this side. Come on the bottom, black sole. The shoe is pretty clean, man. It comes with 4 different laces, man. You have like a yellow laces, a different kind than the normal ones that they come with. You have a pink one, and you have a white one, and you also have the yellow one that comes with the shoe already, man. This is a clean shoe. I think Nike did a good job here with this, putting this together. This is really well put together, and it's a good looking shoe. I forgot to mention the mesh tongue not mesh, you have nylon tongue you have here. You come over here to the top, you see Nike with the strawberry behind it, man. Yeah, this is clean. I like these, man. It's a very clean shoe. This is not a wintertime shoe, but this is definitely a summertime shoe for next summer. If you guys want to, you going out to a formal dinner or anything like that, you guys could get a pair of these and wear these out, man, with a nice pair of slacks and a nice shirt. You good to go, man. With a fresh haircut, you straight. This is definitely something clean here in the inside of the shoe. You guys can see the tongue there has strawberries and lemons on the insole right there. Yeah, man, clean shoe, man. Real simple silhouette that Nike put together. Air Max 1 is already a simple silhouette. They didn't try to do too much with this shoe. And they pretty much got right to the point, and they did a good job, man. So I'm not upset, man. But y'all know what time it's time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, I'm definitely going to have to give this shoe, man, 3.5 out of 5 pennies, because right now this shoe, this color is out of season right now, man. But clean shoe, man. You definitely could do some things with this if you know how to match it up and, get the outfits together the correct way. You can definitely do it with this shoe, man. And that's my rating. If you guys disagree, leave in the comments below. If you guys like this shoe, leave in the comments below. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.